Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. This set of workout today will surround the use of the Bosu ball. If you don't have one at home, you can easily find it at most gyms. It adds so much fun and challenges in the workout with just a simple piece of equipment. Go grab a partner and let's get started. First up, ball pass on Bosu ball dome. One person passes the ball out at the squat. The other person stands on the Bosu ball dome to catch and pass the ball back. The person on the dome should stand with legs hip distance apart in order to keep stability on the Bosu ball. The unstable surface on the Bosu ball is definitely forcing you to engage the core and work your full body muscles to maintain balances. Next, let's get into action. We will start from the floor, then step onto the Bosu ball to catch the ball throwing out from the partner. Stepping onto the Bosu ball requires quick engagement of your quads, glutes, and core. And don't forget, it also trains your hand-eye coordination when you have to catch the ball. The next one is my favorite exercise. It's just like dancing with a partner. Start at a squat, then hop to side lunges. The person lunging on the Bosu ball should keep the knees soft as you hop. You will find it fun when you start seeing the rhythm and synchronization with your partner. Remember, don't lose your core as you jump between the lunges. Here comes some serious core workout. Start with the arms shoulders wide apart. Make sure you stack the shoulders on the wrist to keep a safe alignment. Lift the core to the spine for a strong plank position. Then walk the hands to the dome one at a time. I know that could be hard on your wrist. Try keeping your core up and spine lengthened to lift the weight off your wrist. Next, toe tapping and jump squat is like a happy dance. Tap the toes on the dome 4 times, squat low, and jump up high. As the last exercise of this set, I know this is demanding on your cardio. Let's push through together with your partner. Now let's take a short break to catch up the breath. We will switch partner and repeat the full set of exercise. This round is a level up for the person standing on the Bosu ball, since we're flipping the dome down and standing on the platform, which the surface is more unstable and requires more balancing and muscle engagement. If you find this too challenging, you can always go back to the basic with the dome facing up. The next few sets will be the same as the first round, except you are getting more familiar and better this round. Let's stay focused and push through these last few minutes. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!